Doing a project with pocket holes? What size screw to use? Let's find out. If you're wondering what size pocket hole screw to use for your project, it will depend on the type of material and the thickness of the material that you are using. We start with our 1-inch screw, which is used for 1/2-inch material. Then we go to our 1 1/4-inch screw, which is used for joining 3/4-inch material. We go up to our 1 1/2-inch screw, which is used for joining 7/8-inch material. And we go up to our 2 1/2-inch screw, which is commonly used for connecting material that is 1.5 inches thick, like your standard 2x4. Okay, so we got this deck pretty much all done. Last piece, look at this. I'm gonna fit this like a glove. And just like that. Nice and tight.